About the RBI policy in next week. Let's go across to Poonam to get a sense of what exactly are some important factors to watch out for this time, Poonam.
In fact, if I look at the kind of commentary or the expectations that are built in, it seems that yes, the RBI commentary is likely to be fairly hawkish. We have already seen the crude moving up, and that is one of the key reasons why we should be seeing RBI commentary to be fairly hawkish. In fact, 75% of the respondents do expect the status quo, but now 25% do expect a rate hike in June policy. Having said that, if you look at the first, just in terms of the case for a rate hike, it's just the fact that we're seeing some amount of pickup in terms of the growth, but I would say that the growth pickup is still at a very nascent stage. We're already seeing high oil prices leading to pretty much a sticky and a higher core inflation, and hence we're also seeing a good amount of fiscal concerns there, and just in order to mitigate these factors there is a case for a rate hike. But having said that, there is an equal case for a status quo, at least as of now. The reason being that the growth recovery is pretty much at a nascent state. If you look at the recent GDP data, also FY18 gross fixed capital formation is much slower, and the economy definitely needs some amount of further impetus to grow at a much stronger footing. I think that's one of the key reasons. Besides that, if you look at the CPI, it's likely to ease in second half. Also, if you look at the overall factors, if you look at what the bond markets are already penciling in, if you look at the yields are already up from 7.75% to 7.83 odd percent, 10 bips yield up. So the bond markets are probably already factoring in a rate hike post the recent hawkish RBI minutes, but we'll really have to see how the equity markets may respond if at all there is a rate hike.